Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning. We're going to do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you are watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please follow. Give us a thumbs up. Ooh, I have more berries this morning. Oh, I guess that one wasn't ready. That's a good little breakfast on top of my first breakfast. Well, it's been a little smoky and hazy the last couple of days from the forest fires. But the gardens are growing. Let's go over and look at our potted plants. And our weird little pepper plant. That was the slowest one to produce. Our groovy looking tomatoes that haven't turned red yet. Now this is supposed to have some red peppers in here. Or maybe the peppers just turned red. Look at this. Yeah, cayenne. All right. At least I was smart enough to keep the piece in there. Let me know what peppers I put in. Ah, yes, our other tomato plant. And of course our peppers, which we use for canning. I should can again today. I have zucchinis. Yesterday was a holiday. I didn't have any extra garlic, so I gotta go out today and get garlic. How are we doing down here? Not yet? Good. I have enough zucchini on hand. Good. Slow. Still scraping off the beetle eggs and killing the beetles when I find them. I've been very lucky this year. Last year they decimated me quite a bit. I wasn't paying as much attention as I should have with the garden. I was a little distracted. I was busy doing other things. Well, I don't see. There you are. Is there another one in there? I don't think so. Oh, yes, there is. Oh, look, I missed one. Look at the size of that thing. Jesus. Oh, you were in here. We didn't see it. Where are you? Oh, they get so sneaky. Oh, this is a big one, too. Oh, my. Holy boobers. That's a bit too big. Oh, how's the beans? The beans are low producers. Like I had maybe a dozen, less than a dozen yesterday for supper of the plants. And our inground potatoes continue to do rather well. This is the only one there. Doing a little issues with the leaves and one on the end. But yeah, the box, look at you. So I dug up another plant. Right? I actually planted a few more potatoes. There's still time to grow more potatoes until the fall, even if they don't grow too big. Especially that one in the corner, there was a lot of potatoes that were, well, they were come to the surface and they'd gone green, right? So, and then some of those were starting to shoot, so I just put them back in the ground. But, you know, cutworms of some type, almost getting to every single one of them. So, you know, it looks like those in the ground in the corner are doing far better. Our onions on the other side there, all replanted, and all these onions growing from seed, if they'll actually get big enough for the end of the growing season. Start thinning them out now, I guess, eh? And kale. Had some crispy kale yesterday. It's amazing how much it reduces. You get a giant bowl all full of kale, mix it up with your oil and spices. By the time it's all done, you got basically a handful. Well, there's another zucchini in here from the vine. Is there not? I thought I saw a zucchini. Oh well. There's all our little gourds. Yeah, so leaves coming to the end of their life. There's so many plants in here. I mean, they're all competing for a very small space. Bloody giant. I think it's going to be 30 pounds by the time it's done. There's no reason why I can't harvest it now. It's literally big enough to brain somebody with. Wow. Still finding the odd egg laying in the upper part. Of course, the hardest part to get to, right? Here, a little gourd down there. You can see it. Yeah, right there. So much growth. And then in a month, most of it'll be gone. Ooh, look at the tiny gourd. Well, don't want to miss out. And we're having another zucchini. There was one here yesterday that I found. Again, it was the size of a melon. I'm still pretty sure that's a zucchini. Although, you know, it's turning orange. It could be a pumpkin. I think it's a zucchini. Well, that's that for the backyard. Still flowering quite a bit for our pollinators. Okay, let's go in the front and have a look at Butch. Well, here we are in the front, and I don't remember pumpkin flowers staying open for days at a time. Or maybe it's just the fact that there's not as many of those nasty little striped beetles that make the flower react and close in on itself. Okay, let's go down and look at our zucchinis. There more. Ah, look. I don't think that one got pollinated, so it's not going to make it. But you see the other one's missing because I had it for supper. Well, what's going on down there? Ooh, a lot of business going on in there. Yeah, so it's growing. Okay, well, and look at this one. Still surviving, even with the boreworm shit happening. Well, I'm really surprised that this might actually be working. Let's just make sure to get it some more moisture. Now yesterday we were having 2 new flowers on the morning glories. And today, do we have any more? I don't see any more flowers. Wow, that's really bulked up. Okay. Well, let's have a look at Butch here. Hey, Butch. Mandelbrot effect found in nature. All right. Well, if you hung out to the end, I really appreciate it. Please come by and visit us again. We do daily updates, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye. Look at this. Okay, we have a neighbor next door. They bought the house a year ago but hasn't lived here, so they hire somebody to come and cut the grass. Not that there has been much grass to cut anywhere. The lack of rain. No, just trying to kill these giant weeds. The driver sure could use another coating, but in order to do the sides, got to get rid of these weeds, especially the ones that are growing over. These are pretty resilient.